Welcome back to another video where we're gonna learn you Afrikaans. So, Punky, what are you doing? Punky, wat maak jy? Hoe speel jy op die bord met 'n pen? Jy moet chalk vat. I said, why are you writing on the board with a pen? You must take a piece of chalk. Punky, kolé, by my.
It's a chalk.
She asked me it's a chalk and I said, come lay by me. She said, do you want chalk? Look at this view. It's raining there inside. It's like raining here now. Okay, I'm here to learn you. Okay, Punky, gaan ze mij toe op vrijdag. I did ask how you're gonna come to me tomorrow, because tomorrow's Friday, and I said Friday, and now she said, means yes. So, Punky, ik ga lekker naar Mia's party toe. But I said, I'm nice gonna go to Mia's party. Okay, next we got.
Now is it good?
She asked, no way it's secret. No way it's secret means to have chalk to write on the board. No, need the other get it chalky. I said, no, I don't have. As per the eyes, I said, no, it's not here, it's at home. I don't love you, yeah, guys. I'll grab it out. My daddy's mommy. My pa, my daddy's mommy. So, this is a kopies in Afrikaans. Is a blanket. And this is a pillow in Afrikaans. As a pillow. It's a kussing. And this is another kussing. And that is a teddy. And hy's a teddy. And die is a phone. And die is a book. It's a book. And this is a meisie. Is a girl. No, what am I? So this is a fenster. It's a window. And this is footer. And it's a feet. And this is fingers. As fingers and then is hands and fingers. And this is you. And it's you, the phone. So, as sy, jy en die phone. So, ons gaan met die aankom. This is a drink. En this is a cool drink. Oh, God.